Welcome back to another video. It is Anise, the real boss ladypreneur, coming at you yet with another video about creating Facebook ads for dropshipping and how to make dropshipping ads that sell. Alright, so here we are looking at the types of adverts used on Facebook to sell your dropshipping products. So we have video adverts, which we know do so well as far as conversion and breaking that feed when people are looking down on their Facebook feed. We have a static image, which also works just as effectively when it is the right product. You have slides, which are created from static images, and also link posts. However, the links can be laced through all of these styles of adverts, and as we know, links are always good to have in any type of advert, especially in your dropshipping adverts on Facebook. So now we will have a look at some very successful video adverts as examples so that we can then build a perfect video advert of our own. So let's go on through and check it out. Alright, so here we have a perfect video advert example. It is created by Just Love Skulls, a very popular niche with the gothic and skull loving people. It is a skull mug, and let's have a little watch and find out. So as you can see, a very effective video advert, simply showcasing the mug going from the black color through to the white with the image coming up underneath of the skull. So we will scroll on through and have a look at how much traction and interest this advert had on Facebook. So here we have 18k likes, loves, and 2.2k comments, 8.2k shares, and that there shows you that it was quite a good campaign for them. They had 307k views, and this was an advert from 2 years ago, but it is a really good example of what can be done with a video, with a simple product showcasing exactly what it is and how great it can be for that niche audience. So we'll read through the ad copy. Looking for a cool and unique skull mug, 2 skull emojis, perfect gift for anyone for all occasions. Get yours here. Google link shortener, 2 arrow emojis placed twice, last 39 units in stock, don't miss out. 3 emojis, tag a friend who would love one, and then 3 heart eye emojis. So that there is what I would call a very simple yet effective advert. Now if you were wondering how you could create a similar advert for a product that you may be selling on your dropshipping store, then I would say have a look for either a piece of software or an Adobe creator that could create that advert for you. Clearly it's kind of like a transition of picture slides and it's moving through. If you do know how to create such a advert, then please put a comment down below. Help out another ecom person by doing so, or just leave me a comment below saying where you found the software that could help someone else out. So that would be much appreciated. Let's go on back through and we can start looking at how we can create the perfect advert for ourselves to sell our products and dropship via Facebook. Now, before we get into creating our own advert and looking at ways in which we can create our own dropshipping advert for Facebook, here is another great video advert for you to check out. So let's press play and have a look. Alright, so as you could see, a very awesome video explaining and showing how the child locks actually work, the infant lock, and just a really simple product showing you a kid trying to get in, parents affixing the locks to the cupboard, how they work and how easily they can be removed. So if your product is something like that needs a quick tutorial and you know, perfect example right there, that video would be great for you. A couple of slides, a short snippet video, and boom, you've got your advert. So let's read through the ad copy. Get 50% off plus free shipping when you shop now. Infant lock, so they've created their own page specifically for the product. They've had 1.8K likes and loves, 2.7K comments, and 953 shares, 5.1 million views, and that advert was created 5 months ago. So that page is still up, it's still active, which means the product is still good to go, selling, so to speak. So ad copy. This magnet makes baby proofing your home easier than ever. Get 50% off plus free shipping when you shop now. Shop now, one arrow with their site right there. So that is yet another perfect example of a video advert. If you have a product that is similar, there's your perfect example of how you can create your video at home. You could use actors, you could use family. You don't have to show people's faces, you can just show hands if it is a tutorial of a product that you just need to show how it works. So let's move on through and get back to the slides. Alright, so now we will look at ways to create a video advert for Facebook dropshipping. So first option we're going to have a look at is Fiverr Video Creator, someone who can make our video from scratch for us via the Fiverr website. Second of all, we have using images, stock video and software. And third, we have Virtual Assistant from Upwork or Virtual Assistant websites. So let's first check out Fiverr Video Creators. Alright, so here we are over in Fiverr, the Fiverr website, and I've come through to the video animation and short video ads option. So here we are, we'll have a quick scroll through and see what the options are as far as price and who actually offers Facebook advert assistance and creation. So what I've done is I've gone through the service options, clicked on the Facebook option because that's the platform that we are looking to advertise on. You could also go on Instagram because they're very similar, and you could have a look at generic. So there's options there as far as what service option you would like to look at. So we'll just scroll down and look at the price selection, the variation, and what we could get done through a Fiverr video creator. So here we go. So first off the block, we have a dropshipping video ad here, and this person will make viral dropshipping video ads in any language. So starting at $81, and here we go, another person, I will create amazing promotional video for $57.13. So starting, here's another guy, I will create short promotional Facebook videos or commercial video starting at $32.65, and of course I'm in New Zealand, so these are New Zealand prices. So if you're in the US, it will be less, and whichever country you are, obviously those prices will adjust for your market. Now here we have down here, create professional video ads, just $5. Now that's a really nice little banner, and for me it would be starting at $8.16. But as you can see, there are a lot of options here. So if you want to go this route, you could, and you could outsource the advert for your campaign to someone else. So again, there's pro verified, and of course they're in the thousands because they're pro creators, as in pro video creators. And you could go to one of the lesser options, lesser costing options, and then buy one of those gigs, create your video with them in mind. You may have some static images, they will have the software in order to create the video, and they will be able to blend together your images with some stock video and hopefully come out with some really awesome ads for you. They could also add titles and descriptions as that ad flows if you refer to the previous piece of advert creative that we looked at with the little subtitles coming up. You could also get your advert created exactly like that, going through to one of these professionals. So that's one of the options there. Perfect options right here, some variation in prices, cheaper to more expensive. So that's option 1. Let's go back and we can have a look at option 2. Alright, so to see the next way in which you can create a video advert for your Facebook dropshipping, which is using images and stock video plus a piece of software, please click on the link in the description below, or click on the suggested video to your right and watch the next video. Thank you for watching this video. It was Anise, the Real Boss Ladypreneur. Peace.